Everyone needs compassion, a love that's never failing. Let mercy fall on me. Everyone needs forgiveness, the kindness of a Savior, the hope of nations. Savior, He can move the mountains. My God is mighty to save. He is mighty to save forever. Author of salvation, He rose and conquered the grave. Jesus conquered the grave. Take me as you find me, all my fears and failures. Fill my life again. I give my life to follow everything I believe in. Now I my God is mighty to save. He's mighty to save forever. Author of salvation, He rose and conquered the grave. Jesus conquered the grave. Shine your light and let the whole world see. We're singing for the glory of the risen King. Jesus, shine your light and let the whole world see. We're singing for the glory of the risen King. Savior, He can move the mountains. My God is mighty to save. He is mighty to save forever. Author of salvation, He rose and conquered the grave. Jesus conquered the grave. Savior, He can move the mountains. My God is mighty to save. He is mighty to save forever. Author of salvation, He rose and conquered the grave. Jesus conquered the grave. Shine your light and let the whole world see. We're singing for the glory of the risen King. Jesus, shine your light and let the whole world see. We're singing for the glory of the risen King. Jesus, shine your light and let the whole world see. We're singing for the glory of the risen King. Jesus, shine your light and let the whole world see. We're singing for the glory of the risen King. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of Mighty to Save by Hillsong. If you saw me using some chords in this cover that you didn't recognize, that's because this was an advanced guitar cover, which means I'm using advanced guitar chords. And if you want to learn the arrangement that I just showed you in this cover, there's a link to it down in the description below. But if you want to learn even more of these advanced guitar chords that I used all throughout this arrangement, there's also a link down in the description below to a free PDF called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you some of the chords that I just played, plus a few more that you can start implementing into your own guitar playing to level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.